Welcome back, my friends. This is going to be a quick and simple one. Today we are going to talk about why I clean my primer pockets and why you should also. This won't be any rocket science, just how I believe that it makes primer seating more consistent. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications, and leave a like. Alright, let's go. This here is the tool I use for cleaning primer pockets and primer correction, getting them the same depth. It's made by K&M. Now, you can either have this adapter so you can screw it right into your machine, or you can have a hex head one, whatever you want. But if you look, it's got very sharp teeth here. Okay, which will really do a good job of primer correction and cleaning out the mung after every time. Now this comes preset at the factory. When I do mine, when I use the primer correction tool for getting all the primer pockets the same, they come out at 0.1225. So this will be the tool we use. Unfortunately, I don't have any dirty pieces of brass to show you. This is about the dirtiest piece of one I could find. So you see down here in the pocket, there is mung down in there. This one definitely needs to be cleaned out. So not only will we be cleaning the dirt out, but more importantly, sometimes when firing around, this pocket changes in depth. Very, very, very little, but when you're cleaning, sometimes you'll see some brass comes out. So that means we are reuniforming the primer pocket. Okay, so that's another important thing we need to take into consideration. But even if it's not doing that, if it's not removing brass, it's removing the built-up carbon from firing the primer. And also, your primer itself has an anvil in there that has seats, little tangs that press up against the base of this primer pocket. And if they're sitting on, 1/1000ths, maybe 2/1000ths of dirt sitting up there, how is that going to seat consistently if there's dirt in there? So that's one of the major reasons I clean my primer pockets, besides just making sure that the anvil is sitting flat and consistent against the back of that primer pocket. So that's why I clean them. It has two functions. It makes sure that your primer anvil is seating flat against the primer pocket, and two, making sure that your primer pockets are the right depth, because sometimes some of them, not all of them, will change and you'll shave off that extra bit of brass. So that's why I do it. I hope that was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications all, and leave a like. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.